Hello everyone, this is Yvette from the Kat Scrappiness Design Team. Today I'm going to be introducing you to the new Reindeer Games Sentiments Stamp Set. This is a 4x6 stamp set and has wonderful holiday sentiments. The sentiments include Twinkle All the Way, Let's Get Blitzin', Jingle All the Way, Merry Christmas, Be Merry, Flying By to Say Merry Christmas, Shine Bright, Christmas Cheer to All Those Dear, dear as in reindeer, Christmas Wishes and Reindeer Kisses, I Was Framed, Grandma is Fine, Holiday Kisses and Reindeer Wishes, Happy Holidays, and it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. The stamp set also includes these wonderful small snowflake images. In making this card, I used these little snowflake images and stamped some cardstock with them. And then I made this bow using the Build a Bow dies. And then for the wreath, I made this wreath using the Wreath Die. And as you can see here, I stamped some of the snowflakes on the card base, as well as a sentiment that says Merry Christmas. And this is a shaker card. I did use this Christmas glitter sequins in silver and in aqua. And then I also added some of the Marshmallow Pearl mix on here. The second card I made using the Reindeer Games Sentiments, I used Happy Holidays and I just heat embossed it on this beautiful Nativity Scene Die. And I made this wonderful card, very simple and sparkly, thanks to the glitter cardstock in the background. If you haven't done it already, make sure to hit the subscribe and like button on the Kat Scrappiness channel. Also, be sure to check out the links for the products I used in the description box below. Have a great day, everyone. Bye for now.